This is Appleton, Wisconsin, a lovely little town just a short drive from Lake Michigan. Today's episode of Some Like It Cold starts here. Appleton is a really special place. It has the Hearthstone Historic House, which is the first private residence to use electricity in 1882. And the Little Chute Windmill, a fully functioning windmill built in the Netherlands and reassembled here. But the most fantastic thing is that you don't have to drive to get your gelato. Your gelato can come to you, magically. Well, not quite. A true gelateria on wheels, and the driver, owner, chef, and fellow gelato lover is Kathy. Now, Kathy, help me out here.
Okay.
It seems like it would be easier to find a nice little spot in Appleton.
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
Have a shop. Why did you decide to have a food truck?
Well, at the time, about 3.5 years ago, gelato wasn't really prevalent in the area. It's still not, and so in order to bring gelato to people, I figured I'd put it on wheels. This truck came from California,
Wow.
so it was all custom built for gelato specifically. And then we went and we built everything out on the inside, and we put all the custom on the outside. So it was my design for the outside, and we did a lot of artwork to build it the way we wanted to.
Wow.
So yeah.
You have a background in design?
I do. I have an art and design minor and from college, so communications major. So this job all around mixes a lot of things I'm pretty good at.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So let's go give some people some gelato.
I think it's going to be a fun afternoon. We're headed to the farmer's market, so it'll be a really good time. Big crowds of people, and also gelato for everyone.
Awesome. Well, I can't wait.
Yeah. That one?
Right?
Perfect.
So while we're working here, tell me about your time at
Yeah.
Gelato University. What was that like?
So I was at Gelato University about 3.5 years ago, so I learned everything from complete scratch. Gelato University was at Carpigiani. It was in Bologna.
All right.
We learned everything from scratch. So I spent about 3.5 months there originally, learning everything. So this is my awesome crew. We have Tessa and Shay and Ella, and they're getting set up tonight. For tonight, we have a bunch of new flavors that we're bringing, and we've got a lot of tools that we use for gelato, our spades, we have our cones, cups, etc. So they're getting this everything set up. And on the inside, we just have some amazing storage. We've got our all supplies up here, and then we're gonna serve out these 2 windows here, and then everybody comes up to the truck door to greet us. So
Wow. I just have to say, I'm amazed.
well, I think it's a fun market. for
Yeah,
sure.
well, I'm amazed by you because you are a one-woman show
something like that. yeah.
and you do all of this, and this is not the only thing you do, right?
No, so we bounce around. We are all over the place. We do a couple places in Appleton, we do a couple places in Green Bay, and then we do a lot of catering. So we do a lot of
Wow.
private events, a lot of weddings, a lot of graduation parties, corporate events, so we're all over the place.
Well, I've learned how to serve people some gelato.
All right.
I've learned how to set
Step
up your
one.
food truck, and now I think it's time to go learn how to make gelato.
I think it's a great idea, for sure. Let's do it.
This is unbelievable. Gorgeous. I mean, Kathy, you really have quite the setup.
Well, thank you. It's pretty nice.
Yeah, you got your house, this amazing view. Where's your lab?
It's actually right here. So
Really?
house and lab and everything all in one.
Oh my God.
Works out pretty great. It's a short walk to work, that's for sure.
Yeah, I guess. Well, let's go see how to make
Yeah,
some
come on in.
gelato. We are in the lab about to make Kathy's award-winning gelato, and I feel pretty special because I feel like I'm getting my own private Gelato University lesson here. So what flavor are we making?
This is our razzle ricotta, or raspberry ricotta, and it's made with Wisconsin ricotta con latte, and also fresh local raspberries. We have local milk we use. All of our products we bring in the local area.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
All right, and I believe you said you picked these yourself?
Yes, we picked them in the fall, and then they're the sweetest when we bring them. We freeze them for
They're
all year long.
my favorite fruit, so I'm really excited. All right, so take us from step one. Have you always had your lab here?
I have not. This has been one big gelato adventure for me. So this lab, we built it in 2016, and I was born and raised in this area and brought it all back here. I studied at Gelato University, and so now we built this lab custom for my recipes for the gelato.
Take it away.
All right, good deal.
Oh boy. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. It smells like the best raspberry jam I've ever had.
Should we stop it? Try it?
Yes, we should.
All right, there we go. You gotta make sure you do one of these, a little sprinkle on the top. There we go, see?
Ooh,
look at it.
That just pops.
Love it.
So beautiful.
All right.
Oh, okay.
Your turn.
Okay. Let's see, I want to get everything
Oh, it's
in there.
perfect. It's perfect.
So if you're watching at home, the ricotta is so smooth and creamy that raspberry just like popped through.
Yeah.
And then the pistachios add so much nice texture and a little bit of salt.
It's perfect.
I can see why you won awards with it. Well, I will see you later.
Oh, wait a minute. Take me with.
Yes, so now let's finish this out and go to someplace important to you.
All right.
Have some more gelato and talk about the secret to your happiness with the knotted comb.
Can it just be this?
Yeah, well, that's fine with
Perfect.
me. Yeah. Bye. Kathy, thank you so much for having me here and teaching me how to make this amazing gelato. But I have one last question for you as we sit here.
Sure.
What is the secret that you put in this gelato to make it so good and make people so happy?
Well, that's the secret. Are you ready? Me. At the end of the day, it's my hard work, it's my creativity. It's really all me put into one little cup, given to everybody that comes to our door. So if you want to know what makes it happy, it's my happy place, it's my job, every day. I love it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
That is simple and perfect.
Like our gelato.
We loved visiting Kathy's gelato shop on wheels and hope she never stops taking flavors all over Wisconsin. But what about us? Well, we will see you soon in Minneapolis for Some Like It Cold's last stop, Izzy's Ice Cream.